The Focused Ultrasound Foundation is a unique medical research, education, and advocacy organization that serves as the catalyst for the development and adoption of focused ultrasound.
Well, I have had essential tremor my entire life, and I've tried to do the best I can with it. But as I'm getting older and I'm getting a little weaker, the tremor is becoming more and more pronounced.
When I first heard I had Parkinson's, I was very surprised. I always thought of it being an older person's illness, and I've always seen people in wheelchairs. My leg would bounce uncontrollably. It would hyperextend and actually lock backwards. It was very, very painful.
What osteoid osteoma is, it's a non-cancerous bone tumor. It caused me a crazy amount of pain. And every time I was active, it would act up, it would become more frequent.
I couldn't walk, so I had to be taken in a wheelchair to the hospital. And I could feel myself getting stronger and stronger. My symptoms were getting less and less. Then the clinical trial director, she looked at me and she says, "Get up, you can walk." And I thought, I can walk. I got there in the wheelchair, unable to walk, and immediately following it, I walked to the room. It was a miracle.
Focused ultrasound is something right out of Star Trek. You can cure a tumor through the skin without having to cut it. Like, that's incredible. And the pain's gone.
For me, focused ultrasound is something that can give someone a new lease on life.
The focused ultrasound treatment has given me back my life. It's amazing. It's a miracle.
These 3 patients are representative of the tens of thousands of patients with many disorders whose lives have been changed by focused ultrasound. The Foundation's goal is to shorten the time it takes to bring focused ultrasound to patients and decrease death, disability, suffering, and cost of care. Saving time equals saving lives. The Focused Ultrasound Foundation is a powerful force for progress. We align the interests of many stakeholders to benefit patients. The Foundation is dedicated to ensuring that focused ultrasound becomes a mainstream therapy within years, not decades, and works to fund research, foster collaboration, and build awareness. The Focused Ultrasound Foundation utilizes its donors' funding to create the sound that produces miracles and transforms disease into health and happiness for countless people.